There is a kind of light that doesn't come from the sun. It doesn't shine across a world, but it illuminates everything within reach. There is a group of people who do not chase the spotlight. They don't need to stand under it, yet they weave a galaxy across a night. In an era that races toward the light, we chose to become interpreters of light, turning precision down to the tiniest fraction into poetry that lights up the world. What's harder than lighting up the wilderness is lighting up the lab day and night for 10 years straight. It's reshaping the path of light through quantum calculations. It's honing every beam to military-grade perfection.
这防水等级不够，水深提高到1.5米。好的。
It's enduring 106 rigorous tests, all to forge a sound that fits in your palm. To chase away piercing cold and tear through the endless night. We don't need to declare our brightness. We don't seek to shine deliberately. Because we know true light is never loud. It simply settles in the places people avoid, at the edges of darkness, at 5,000 meters above sea level in Hoshio. It marks the forbidden zones of life, quietly protecting the protectors. At the front of every heavy truck, it becomes a second pair of eyes, lighting the way for those venturing into life's unknown. From 2013 to 2025, 13 years may be enough for a tree to learn the shape of the wind. But our growth is never measured in centimeters. Between the barren land of branding and the silence of the lab, light leaves its own annual rings. What appears to be natural growth is actually the quiet dialogue between perseverance and progress. A photosynthesis that takes place between dusk and dawn. Sunlight teaches people to see the road ahead. The real light helps them understand the world beyond it. We shine so that some places never have